Okay, let's graph y equals 1/2 times the sine of x minus pi over 3. Let's first get it in the appropriate form. Y equals 1/2 sine times parenthesis 1 parenthesis x minus pi over 3 plus 0. Compare it to y equals a sine k x minus b plus c, and that indicates the a value is equal to 1/2, k is equal to 1, b is equal to pi over 3, and c is equal to 0. Now these are going to have amplitude. This is going to have amplitude. There's no asymptotes in the sine function. Amplitude is the absolute value of 1/2, which is 1/2. Okay, step 2, the old interval of interest for the sine function is 0, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2 pi. The new interval of interest is acquired by taking the extreme 0 and 2 pi, and in between wedge k times x minus b. So we have 0 less than or equal to k times x minus b, less than or equal to 2 pi. So we've got 0 less than or equal to 1 times x minus pi over 3, less than or equal to 2 pi, and then just get x alone in the middle. When you get x alone in the middle, you have pi over 3 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 7 pi over 3. So that means our extremes are pi over 3 and 7 pi over 3. So our new period is the x final minus the x initial in our interval of interest. So in this case, it's 7 pi over 3 minus pi over 3, which is 6 pi over 3, which simplifies to 2 pi. Now our old key points for the sine function are, of course, for the x values, 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. And the corresponding y partners are 0, 1, 0, -1, 0. Our new key points will be acquired by the following. X new equals x old divided by k plus b, and y new equals a times y old plus c. So applying the appropriate k, a, b, c, we get x old equals, the x new equals x old plus pi over 3, and the y new equals 1/2 times y old. So apply these formulas to all the x's and the y's, and you'll get the following list. For the first x value, you'll get pi over 3, then 5 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, and 7 pi over 6. The corresponding y partners are 0, 1/2, 0, -1/2, and 0. We're going to graph these points to do our sketch. That's step 5. We have our y-axis. This is y equals 1/2 sine of x minus pi over 3. The y-coordinates extremes are 1/2 and -1/2. We're interested in the interval from pi over 3 to 7 pi over 3. Cut it in half, and you'll get the 8 pi over 6, which simplifies to 4 pi over 3. Cut that in half, you get 5 pi over 6. Cut the other side in half, you get 11 pi over 6. Now graph the points on the new key points, and you'll get this sine wave that's been shifted over and squashed. It's squashed down compared to the original. So it's just a matter of graphing the ordered pairs for the new key point.